Let's transform these simple shorts. I first found this adorable trim and miraculously found the perfectly coordinating fabric. The thighs on these didn't fit very well, so let's change that with some darts. I pinned the 3 to line up with the pockets. When sewing darts, it's best to hand tie the points. Now it fits so much better, although I still added one more on each side. Starting with the fabric square, I cut it all into wide strips following the pattern lines. And yes, I know they aren't laying evenly now. To join them evenly, I matched up the sides according to the block pattern. I proceeded to French seam them, trimming them down in between. Because I happened to have had the iron on, I ironed the excessively long strip into a rolled hem. This also just made it easier to sew. I gathered it all up with plenty to go around. The ruffle is sewn sandwiched with a strip of ribbon on the other side. That's because I didn't like the fuzzy hem texture of the shorts. After trimming it down, I flipped the ribbon over and sewed. The ruffles kind of poke out, so I sewed a few rows down to help. I used clear plastic thread for the daisy trim, making sure to hand tie the ends as they will come undone if backstitched. Now to repeat this process on the other side. So cute! Now to make it even cuter by decorating the pockets. I prepared and added the trims much like for the shorts. After machine sewing on what I could, I hand sewed the rest. Look at those darling pockets! I'm super happy with how this combination turned out.